Hey everyone! If you're looking for something quick and easy to make, then you have just tuned into the right place with Working Chef. This week, the kids wanted a sweet treat, so I had the perfect dessert in mind with a no-bake marshmallow chocolate tart recipe that has the light fluffy topping similar to that of a mousse, which is then topped onto a chocolate cookie crust. I decided to try it out and it was a winner. Maybe you want to share with us your winning desserts as well, so let us know by commenting below. Now let's get started and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.